Hey you guys, today I am going to be redoing this wig. I am going to be taking it down and reconstructing it all over again. This is not my work. This is a wig that was made for a client of mine. Unfortunately, it does not fit her head because it is too small. Here is the inside of this unit. It's definitely not supposed to be scrunched up like that. This can fit probably like a child's head. This is not fitting no adult's head at all. At all, at all, at all. So I'm definitely gonna redo this for her. Get this back in good shape. And then she'll be good to go. Like, look at this. You cannot possibly be giving this to a client. Can't do that. That is so wrong in so many ways. I'm gonna use this tool just to pop that thread to get the tracks off of here. And all I'm doing here is just getting under the thread and just cutting it. Finding some thread, cutting it. Here I just like to make sure that my cap is aligned properly on my mannequin head, so I put those 2 points on that center line on the mannequin head, if you get what I'm saying. And I just have my T-pins holding my cap down in place. To find the middle of my closure or even a frontal, I like to fold it in half so my frontal or closure doesn't be crooked, and I can line it up directly on that middle line on your mannequin head. And I just stick my pin right there in the middle of it and then place it on the mannequin head. So now I have it pinned down where it's nice and flat, so I can go ahead and sew that area down. So you guys, this is what the finished product looks like. I do apologize, I don't know what happened. My footage of me making the rest of the wig was somehow deleted, so that has me pretty bummed right now. But if you like this video, if you like how this wig looks, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.